Morning. This is my new Ryobi, 2000 PSI pressure washer, model RPW140-G, which I got at Christmas time and I've only just unwrapped today. It's got an onboard detergent tank and wheels and a 4-year warranty, which is what I was more really interested in. And it looks like you can adjust the spray type and also the pressure here. Pressure there. It's got wheels and a handle and a place to store your hose and your power cord. It's got a picture of it here showing you using the spray on your car. And if we look at it set up, it has a warning here. Let's have a look. Not to use it on people, dogs, vehicles, and near power, and to use head muffs and eye protection. So I'm going to have to check why it says here not to use it on vehicles, what appear to be vehicles, or maybe vehicles with open hoods. Not sure. Not sure at all. Anyway, when we assembled this, it didn't come with a screwdriver, which was annoying. Phillips screwdriver. It's got 6 screws, but this here, which is for the power cord, just slips on, clips on. This one here, which holds these two here rather, which hold the lance there, and the one down the bottom there, just clip on. So it clips on those two areas here, and at the back it's retained by 4 screws. You can see those 4 screws there. But annoyingly, it has 2 screws here as well, which my screwdrivers were just too short to reach them that far in, and so it would have been very helpful if they provided the necessary screwdriver for that. Now I'm going to have to go to the shops and get one. At the base here is a soap or detergent tank. You can just unlid it, take the lid off there, and it just pops out there. You can put it this way, in which case it'll just fall out. So it's best to just put it in this way. Now, we didn't actually use the detergent because you have to use a detergent that is specific for pressure washers. So I just filled it with water. So at the front there we have a on and off switch. So it's currently on, so I'll turn it to off. And at the base there, the right hand side is a hose attachment. This one here is provided, it's an adapter, and this one here is the attachment to the lance. So here's the lance here. So that one there, you push this in to release it and also to insert it. So that one there pushes far in here, you push the hose here, then release it, and it clips it in. Here's the on-off, and there's a safety catch here. And here's the hose, the end nozzle, and this one here, the top one, adjust the spray type, and this one here adjusts the power setting.